Okay guys, now we'll see the one of the most important part, which is called arrays. So I mean, without arrays you can't do anything. So what is array? Array is a group of elements, that's it. So in other language like Java and C++, you will say array of is a group of elements of similar data types. But here in JavaScript it's not the case. You can use any type of element, like you can use string, numbers, objects together in an array. So it's not of similar data type. So let's just start. So the first point comes, why do we need array? So because suppose you have three fruits, okay, I'll say where fruit 1 equals to mango, copy, paste, paste. Fruit 2 will be like banana, and fruit 3 will be like orange. Now you can see these all are fruits, but I have to make them in separate variables. So it's better to make an array and keep all the fruits inside that only. So how do we define an array or initialize? So we just say where name of the array, so it can be anything, so I'll say fruits. Okay, so because they are many, and square bracket. Okay, so this is the way you can initialize. Now if I say console.log fruits, see empty array because it's empty totally. So that how you can do it. You can also use let, see, no problem. You can also use const, but you know in const you can't change this one define the size of the array or the item inside it. So let it make it var only. So now I want these to be inside the array. So what I'll do, I'll just put inside here only. So what I'll do, maybe I'll just do like this, fruits equals to mango, banana, orange. You can just put directly inside here also this. Let me just show you. See, this will also work, but this will also work. Now if I say console.log fruits, see, now it's printing. So you can see this is the way you can put any variable, like any data inside an array. But this can be anything, like suppose you are overwriting an element, so it's not defined as an array also, then also it will work. But still we can do like this also. Now we'll see, we want to access it. Suppose we want to access the data, like we know, like if we do console.log fruits, we'll get the fruits. Okay, there's no problem, but I just want mango, nothing else. So like string here also are indexing. So this is 1 in 0 index, this is 1 index, this is 2 index. Okay, total are 3, 0, 1, 2. So how do we do it? We just put a square bracket and put 0. See, we got the mango. Same here, we got banana. Same here, we got orange. So this is the way we can get any fruit we want, mango, either banana, either orange, whatever you want you can easily get. But suppose if you want all at once, you just say fruits. Okay guys, now suppose I want to get the length. I don't know, suppose program is going and it keeps on increasing. I want to know the length. So like string, you just say fruits dot length. See, you got 3 length because 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I mean 1, 2, 3. It's totally of length 3. You can see here also. So this is the way you can access any elements. Now suppose you want to change the data. Suppose you want to replace mango with something else. So the way we assign data, you say fruits 0. Okay, now in the 0 I want to put apple. Console.log, see, now apple got here because I said okay on the 0 index, which was mango, put there apple. Now on the second index I will say put kiwi, console.log fruits. But suppose I want mango also. Mango is removed, so I want the fourth element to be mango, so we can do 0 1 2. So fruits, and the third index I want to be mango, and console.log I'll say fruits. Okay, sorry, yeah, console.log fruits. See, now the third index or maybe fourth element I got fruit, mango. 0 1 2 3 I got mango. But suppose I say fruits and I make it like 15th element to be what to say, tell me any fruit. I say coconut. Okay, just making it a name. So you can see now if I say console.log fruits, see it's 11 are empty. 11 into see empty into 11, it means like there are 11 empty entries, you can see. So you have 0 1 2 3 then 11 empty entries, because after 4 there are 11 empty entries, then there is coconut. So suppose I want to push the coconut but I don't know the last element, so how can I use that? I mean, I want to push the data in the last, but how do I know which is the last index? So what you can do, you can just say here, so let me just remove this fruits, is better. Okay, so what I'll say fruits dot length. Okay, this will give me the length, so let me just check the length. Now I got the length for 0 1 2 3. Now I'll just say fruits dot length, and here give me coconut. Now I'll say console dot log fruits. See, so now whichever I want I can just use fruits dot length, it will give me the whole length. So in the last index I can just put that. So here I'll say I'm not getting any names. Pineapple. See, I got pineapple, but there is a better way. Firstly, here you have to do two things. Firstly, you have to get the length, then you are saying okay, on this index number, because length suppose came 4, then you have to give 4 here, then it will come. Okay, so the most forward way is to you just say fruits dot push. Push means insert data. Now I'll just say any, just what I can't remember any. Suppose fruits dot push item 2, item 3 maybe. Console dot log fruits. See, now it has put item 3 directly. Now I don't have to give index number. I just show you again. I just say item 101. See, I got item 101. Now comes the deletion part. This for all insertion. Now deletion, I want to remove any. Okay, you got insert, like just give the index number, push. Okay, now I want to delete any. So what we can do, we can just say fruits dot pop. That's it, it will remove the last one. So if I just say console dot log fruits, see, last one item 101 got. But if I gear here like 2, any index number, save. So see, still giving index number doesn't happen, still it will remove the last one. Okay guys, so don't get like okay, I'll give the index number. Suppose you give the name totally, like banana. I want to remove banana, BANANA. Yeah, see, then also nothing happened, it will removing only the last one. So if you have something, so don't give any index number name, because it will remove the last one only. Now suppose I want to remove the banana somehow. I want to remove, so just say fruits delete fruits, and it's the index number 01. Yeah, so I'll just say console.log fruits. See, this got removed, but you can see still the space is empty because I deleted this, not made the array smaller. Like kiwi should come here and mango should here, like it should make the array smaller, okay, by one length. It should use this space, but I have deleted. Okay, so now how to make them use? So I'll just say fruits. Firstly, let me just comment it out. Yeah, so now okay, yeah, I know that. See, okay, now I will remove banana. How? I'll say fruits dot splice. I want to delete the 01 index. Okay, remove the 1 index. Okay, 01. Yeah, I'll just say console fruits. See, 01. Okay, start from the index 1. So okay, apple remove. Okay guys, sorry, there should be one more thing. I'll say remove the first index, and from first index how many elements? I'll just say only one element. See, banana got removed. I say banana got removed, then kiwi and everything. Now I want to remove the coconut, so it's 0 1 2 3, third index. Okay, I'll say fruits dot splice, remove the third index, and from there only one element. Console.log fruits. See, coconut got removed. Now I want to remove two elements at once. Suppose coconut and pineapple. So I just say 3 comma 2. See, both coconut and pineapple got removed. I'm saying start from 3 0 1 2 3 and remove 2 1 2 got removed. So there is not any case of empty, so it's just removing and every other elements are taking their place. Now suppose I want to push some element in between. Here I was pushing in the end. I was to push in between, like between maybe kiwi and mango. For that also we'll use splice. So I'll say fruits dot splice. I'll say 0 1 2, put here. So I'll say put on the second index, and don't remove anything, and the value should be like banana. Then I'll print this. See, so how I did okay, I said fruits dot split on the second index 0 1 2, this index, don't remove anything 0, and push banana, so banana got inserted. But if I say 1, so it will replace mango and push the item. See, replace mango, push the item, made to mango. Mango and item 3 will be replaced and banana will be there. See, so this is the way you have to put the data in between. Okay, now suppose you want to remove from the first, just say fruits dot shift console.log fruits. See, first apple got removed. So whenever you say shift, so it will remove the first element and shift one by one. So it's same. So just doing splice. If you use the first element, just do shift. Last element, do pop. In between, splice. Putting in between, you can use splice. Okay. So I want to suppose put now banana in the starting. Suppose apple. I say don't remove any element 0 and put in the 0 index. See, apple got in the first index. Apple, kiwi, banana, item 3. Now you can use slice also, it's work the same. So if you want to remove any, so I'll just say console.clear till here, uh, console.clear, then again print it to show you the data, console.log fruits. Okay, yeah, so I'll say fruits dot slice from 1 to 2 index. So from 0 1 to 2 index, slice the data. Okay, so I'll say console log fruits. So okay, this I have to put here because it doesn't return any value. Sorry, it returns the value. Yeah, see, I got the kiwi, so I say slice from 0, so from 101 to 2. So yeah, so if I want banana also, I'll say 3. See, banana got. So slice is not that much use because you have splice, so that work better if you want any data. So if you want a set of data, you can use slice also, just like string, just give the index number until where that index number. So if it's 3, so it will give you till 2. Okay, 0 1 2. Suppose you want to sort it, so you just say console.log fruits.sort. See, apple, banana, item 3, kiwi, it got sorted. Sort in reverse order, fruits dot reverse, sorted in reverse order. So you can use sorting also directly. Now suppose you have where arr equals to, you have an item comma item 2 23, and then you have fruits. So fruits is an array. So this is called nested array because you have an array, inside that you have another array. So if you go for the third element, so you will get the third array. See, 0, okay, it's 1 2. See, you got this fruit array because their fruit was in the third, so you got the whole array. Now again you have to say on the this array I want the first element, so first is item 3. So it works like this. So it pretty much basics. I have told you everything about array, how to use it, how to push, clear, everything. So yeah, that's it in this part, guys.